Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Cash App won't let me receive money. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Having trouble receiving money on Cash App? Here's how to fix it quickly. Open the Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Limits. Here you'll see how much money your account can receive per month. If you've already hit your monthly receive limit, you won't be able to accept more money until it resets. But even if you're still under the limit, there's one key step that often solves the issue. At the top of the Limits page, tap Verify and follow the instructions. Verifying your identity boosts your limits and helps fix common payment problems. Once your verification is complete, back out and go to Settings. Scroll down to Linked Banks and make sure you have an active debit card linked. If your card is expired, missing, or inactive, Cash App won't be able to send you money properly. If you're still having issues, scroll all the way down in Settings and tap Support. Then go to Payments, then go to Receiving Payments. At the bottom, tap Chat and send a message like, "Hi, I can't receive payments on my account. Please help." A Cash App support rep will get back to you and help resolve any account-related problems. And that's it. So, that's basically how you can fix Cash App won't let me receive money. So, that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.